This is the last video for 2018. It's obviously not a build video, but I did want to take the time to thank you folks who watch my videos, those who share them, and those who leave comments. I enjoy the interaction and the feedback in the comment section. I look forward to what 2019 holds. I'm not sure what I'm going to make. I'm never sure what I'm going to make, but I look forward to it. Thanks for a great year. 2018 has been fun. I'm thinking about maybe doing a giveaway or two in 2019. Maybe a Q&A video, I don't know. Let me know what you folks think down below if that's something you'd like. I'd also like to know what kind of builds you guys are looking forward to. Again, leave those in the comments down below. I'm curious to see what all you folks like. And lastly, if you could, again, just curious, want to know which one of my videos was your favorite, if you have a favorite, or which one you absolutely hated. I'd also like to know that. Again, thank you very much, and look forward to seeing you all in 2019. Thanks.